Here you can see that I have applied an image as a background. So let's see what effects we can apply to this picture right over here. So in order to apply the effect, I'm just going to click over here onto the background. That is, I need to select this picture right over here. And as I click on the background, the picture is selected. And over here on the top hand side, you can see that there are different options. So effects is what we're going to focus on right now. And you can see right over here that bad TB is an effect which I've already applied. You can click on any one of the effects that you like and they'll be applied. If you want to edit it even further with precision, you can click over here again and you get to a new option right over here where you're given sliders to change how the effect actually looks. So you can change this distortion as you can see right here. You can change in the fine distortion, the roll speed and so forth as you can see just like this. And they change out the entire look of the effect right over there. You can also reset it out to get back to default and also add in the value. Right now the value is 2.5 as you can see. So I can do something like 6 and it'll change out. So I can go back over here. I can also press cancel to revert back. I can go over here onto other effects as well as you can see. So there's other option. So as I click on color mix, I have to click on connect. So it adds in that effect over there. And as I choose color now, you can see that the color effect has been added just like that. And just like with bad TB, I'm going to click on here and change out the hue and saturation. And depending on the effect, the effects options actually change out. And once I'm happy, I can press apply. So let's do the same as well. So I'm going to go to something like slice now, click on connect. So the rest of the effects, the use is the same. So you simply click on it, connect them and start using them. So let's go on with the slice right over here. And then from the slice, I can choose and then click on it again, change a bit of offset, press apply, and that applies to the main effect as you can see just like that. So you can go over here and then start applying the effect as you wish, just like that. So you can choose from the presets which are actually available here, or you can start working around with the sliders to get the effect you want. And that is how you start working with effects in pictures inside of Canva.